Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you around ClassLink, Backpack, and Schoology really quickly so you know what to expect this year. Your backpack, when you click on your backpack and you find your class, whatever class you have, algebra, English, biology, always click on the apps so that you can go look for the Google Meet for that classroom. Okay, make sure that somewhere on there it says Google Meet or a meeting room or my meeting room, and it should have some sort of icon that looks like video chat. Okay, so that's where you go in to meet your teacher if you are virtual. So if you're virtual, that's how they're going to be taking attendance. Make sure that you are in class in that Google Meets at the time of the period. Okay, you can also go through Schoology. You can go to Schoology and go find my course. So under courses, go look for the one that says Algebra 1B. Okay, and it has my picture. All right, so it is 2021 already, and yay, we are halfway done. Okay, remember that these buttons are clickable, not Monday and Tuesday because we didn't have a class Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are clickable buttons, and it takes you straight into what we're doing that day. If you click here, this is my Google Meets links. So if you don't go through the backpack, you can always click on here and it will open up, and then you just find the period that you have and click on that link. If you have Eagle Time for whatever chance, then that's the one that you're going to click on. And if you want to meet with Ms. Jenkins, that's the one that she's going to be using sometimes. Okay, Desmos, this is the Desmos calculator that we're going to be using. So make sure that you click on that and it'll take you to where it says Texas Star Version. Okay, make sure you're using that. Contact information if you need to contact me for whatever reason. All of my information is here. Syllabus, this is a syllabus I showed you guys last semester. We're still going to be using that one. And this is tutorial times and the links for those tutorials if you ever need it. Make sure that you talk to me beforehand. Okay, I added this is the calendar. So when you click on it, the Algebra 1 calendar shows you exactly what we're doing and what's coming up. So let me make this smaller. Okay, no school, no school. We also don't have school on January the 19th and the 18th and the 19th. Okay, we have a Unit 3.1 test on the 22nd coming up. We'll have a test review before the test. So it shows you everything that's coming up, okay, for the following 6 weeks. So make sure that you are constantly looking in there. And I'm also putting clickable links that will take you to that folder. So this is just for third period, and then this is for the rest of the classes. So when you click on that, it will take you to that folder. So Wednesday folder, and it will take you in there. All right, let's go back. I also added a link for the student PHS webpage. I don't know if you know it by heart or not, but if you click on there, it will take you straight into the web page, y'all's web page, and it has the schedules for the days, but I also posted it in my course. So here it is. This is the schedule for this week. Make sure that you're going to those classes at those times. And then I have 2 folders coming up. This is for this week. This is for next week. They're unpublished right now, but they will be published. Well, this one will be published tomorrow. So you can, that's where we go and see what we're doing. So if you click on Wednesday, today is Wednesday, you will have a welcome back discussion and you will have the rules and expectations. And I'm also going to be posting my video on here that you're watching right now. Okay, if you're looking for your grades, let's say you want to know your grades, you will click on the button that says grades on the side right here so that you can see if you're missing anything, what you're missing, and so that you can click on it to do those things. If you see, do you guys see this button up here? This is where you send messages to your teachers or to anybody else at MPISD. So if you click on it and you type my name, Elizabeth Meza, you can send me a message there. Sometimes I send you guys messages and you're not reading them. I send messages last semester for kids that were failing my class that I needed things done for. So make sure that you are constantly looking up here. And if you have a message, you'll have a little yellow bubble that tells you how many unread messages you have up here. So I don't have any unread messages because I look at my messages every day. Make sure that you guys are looking at your messages every day as well. If we go back to class link, you can look for Skyward. This is where your grades and attendance will be. So if you want to see if anybody marked you absent or if you want to see your grades, you can go in there. Okay? Any questions, make sure that you send me a message up here or that you put it in the welcome back discussion board. Okay? Make sure that you tell me if you are going to be virtual or face-to-face this 6 weeks. Make sure that you tell me whether or not you were present virtually or present face-to-face, and if you have any questions. Again, if you are supposed to be face-to-face, but you showed up virtually, I have to mark you absent. Let me write that down. Okay, so let's say you are virtual students. You must be in the Google Meets daily. That's where you have to be for me to take attendance. I will take attendance and check to see if you are in the Google Meets or not. Okay? If you are a face-to-face student, I will be taking attendance based on whether you are at school daily or not. If you're not at school, you are absent. If you're not at school, but you decide to get into the Google Meets, you will still be absent. You cannot do this. That is absent. Okay, you will be marked absent if you are supposed to be at school, but you decide that day, oh no, I think I'm just gonna stay home and get into the Google Meets. You will still be absent. Okay, if you wanna be virtual, then you make sure that you tell your parents to call the school and talk to an AP. And the only kids who we are letting be virtual are those students who passed all their classes, passed all classes last semester. If you failed some classes last semester, your parents were called and you are supposed to be coming back to school. So again, if you have any questions, make sure that you ask me those.